அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். I am Menaga. I am studying in Lghsc Girls High Secondary School, 8th Standard B section. I am also a student of Junior IAS Academy. Good day to all of you. Today I am going to discuss about human anatomy. What is the topic? Human anatomy. First we see introduction of human anatomy. In this lecture, first of all, would like to clearly define the objective of this lecture so that at the end of lecture you should be able to understand first the definition of anatomy, second subdivisions of anatomy, next anatomical position, and next planes of body, and next various terms of relation and various movements of the body. So, we like to see one by one, which is actually here how first coming to the definition. What is anatomy? What you mean by anatomy? And you all know very well that once when we talk about the anatomy, immediately what comes to our mind is the dissection or the dissection classes which we encounter in the first HBBS. Another part in a tomotomy means and the cutting process. The process of actually cutting and seeing is actually called as anatomy, and the same meaning also applies to the dissection. Dissection means you all know that section. Section means cutting. So this is a part and sectioning process. So the process of cutting a part is actually called as dissection. So this is why apply to that anatomy and dissection go together. They could not be separated because that is not anatomy without dissection. Now, before I am going to some basic of anatomy, just let us straight understand. However, human body is made up of, so here clearly mark atom is straight from the molecular level. It will start from simple molecules. So basically this molecular start are certain atoms, and this molecular what happens, they try to form certain chemical compounds, or again we call them molecules, such as protein molecules and fat molecules, next carbohydrate molecules, and minerals and vitamins. Now their molecular expressly we all know that protein molecules are indispensable. Very they are responsible for the various function of the cell. They synthetic so many hormones or all those things. What happens next to these molecules? இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சிம்பிள் மாலிக்யூலை பற்றியும் கெமிக்கல் காம்பவுண்ட்ஸை பற்றியும் நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்த்தாச்சு. Thank you for watching.